Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. As you can see, in today's video we are going to be unboxing another model. Today actually an NG model, only my second one. This is the United New Livery 787-9 Dreamliner. First off, shout out to Prairie Diecast for actually having this in stock. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get straight into the unboxing. Alright, so let's try not to break this one like I did with the 752. Does come in the styrofoam like model. Go ahead and take this top off here. Let's try to get it out. Ooh, that is an amazing model. Alright, starting down here at the front, we have the L1 door and front landing gear and the cockpit windows. Those big United titles in the vibrant NG colors with the stripe down the side, the swerve stripe. Then the beautiful blue engines with the back landing gear and the special wings of the 787. And then towards the back, more doors. The Dreamliner symbol, American flag, and the registration, which is N29975. And moving back, just the beautiful United livery on the tail. The wings and backlit stabilizers, I think they're called, are all white. So that's interesting. You don't see that too much. Usually they're gray. But anyway, you can see the Wi-Fi box here and the antennas. Check out the bottom. Also looking amazing. But yeah, overall looks like a very nice model. But anyway, very nice model there. Really excited to add this to my collection. This is also my first wide-body United aircraft, which is really interesting. So it's really awesome to add to my collection for my mystery project, which, as I said in my last video, I will be revealing soon. Really excited to reveal that to you all. So really awesome model, second ever NG model. So far it's looking good. I will be planning to order way more NG models. So anyway, thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have time, leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts on this model and your thoughts on NG models as a whole. On the road to 200 subscribers, only 5 away from 150, so let's go ahead and get there first. So yeah, thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.